Ken, stop for a second. I think we have a problem.
What is the problem?
Look around. I don't know where we are. Everything looks the same.
I think we're lost.
Lost. Yes, that is the word. How do you say lost or lost child in Japanese?
We say maigo. Maigo. We are maigo in the city. Maigo.
Maigo. Oh no, we are too big Maigo.
Don't worry. Do you have your phone? Look at the map.
I am looking, but the internet is slow. What is map?
Map is chizu. Please look at the chizu. Chizu.
Chizu. Okay, the Chizu is loading. Nope, it's not working.
Okay, then we have to do it the old-fashioned way. We have to ask someone.
I am nervous to ask. What do I say? Where is the station?
Where is the most important word here? It is doko. The station is doko. Doko.
Doko. That sounds funny. Doko.
Yes. Eki wa doko desu ka?
Okay, but who do I ask? Everyone is walking so fast.
Look over there. Do you see that small building with the red light?
Yes, it looks like a tiny office.
That is a police box. In Japan, they help lost people.
Oh, that is helpful. What is police box?
It is koban. Let's go to the koban. Koban.
Koban. It sounds like coin, but with a B. Koban.
Yes, the policeman in the koban is very kind.
Okay, let's walk over there. Hello, Mr. Policeman. Sumimasen.
Good start. Now ask him, where is the station?
Eki wa doko desu ka?
Perfect. He is pointing down the street.
He is speaking Japanese. I don't understand. Ken, translate.
He said, go straight.
Ah, we learned this in the taxi. Straight is masugu, right?
Yes, you remember. Masugu.
Okay, go masugu, but then he made a hand gesture like a turn.
Yes, he said turn at the corner.
What is corner?
Corner is kado. Turn at the kado. Kado.
Kado. Okay, go masugu, then at the kado, turn. What is turn?
Turn is magaru. Please magaru right. Magaru.
Magaru. Like a kangaroo? Magaru?
A little bit. So go masugu, find the kado, and then magaru.
Did he say turn right or left?
He said right. Do you remember?
Right is migi.
Yes, migi.
Okay, masugu, kado, magaru, migi. I feel like a robot.
He also mentioned a landmark, a convenience store.
Oh, the konbini. Everyone knows where the konbini is.
Yes, he said the corner is near the konbini.
Is it close or is it far? My legs are tired.
Close or near is chikai. The station is very chikai. Chikai.
Chikai. Whew, that is good news. I like Chikai.
And far is toi. My house is toi. Toi.
Toy. I hope the hotel is not toy.
No, it is chikai. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Policeman. Arigato gozaimasu. Let's start walking. Masugu. Look, Ken, there is the konbini. That was fast.
Yes. Now look for the kado.
Here is the kado, so I have to magaru migi.
Correct. Turn right.
Turning. Okay. Oh, I see it.
You see the station?
No, I see a delicious-looking bakery.
Sarah, focus. We are maigo.
But it smells so good. Bread is pan in Japanese, right?
Yes, pan. Do you want to eat pan? Pan.
Yes, I want pan. Can we stop just for a minute?
Okay. Maybe if we eat, you will remember the way better.
Exactly. Brain food.
But wait, look past the bakery.
Oh, there it is. The big sign with the train symbol. The Eki.
We found it.
We are not MyGo anymore.
No, we are safe.
Asking for directions was actually fun. The policeman was nice.
Yes, if you are lost, always find a kolban.
Koban. Got it. Okay, Ken. Now that we found the station,
Yes?
I could really use a detour.